There you go. World Radio League Ham Radio Prep. We're going to be at the First Christian Church on Saturday, December 6th. I'm going to be at the World Radio League Ham Radio Prep table, and Julie will be over at the special event table right next to him. And we're going to be sharing these books, the training manuals, so that way you can get your ham radio license. Get with me, potapower01@gmail.com. And I am local to Ocala. I work here, I live here, and we can get together and help you out, get your license.
Absolutely. Yeah, I know he's got full access to HRP, so that's good.
Yep.
There's some other stuff I'll tell you about behind the scenes. I'll shoot you an email here in a little while, but
all good.
Yeah, he's a little closer to Orlando than you guys, but we'll talk about all that offline at some point.
Oh, I thought he was actually local to Ocala.
I mean, he's more local to Ocala than I am.
Well, there's that. There's that. But yeah, Professor Jim's going to come over from Ham Radio Prep to hang out with us on Saturday morning. I'm going to have probably half a dozen spool antennas to sell on site. We're going to get together. I'm actually in the process of building a POTA power supply table. So we're going to focus on POTA related products, spool antenna. I built ground spikes.
Ooh.
I actually had Mike knows the story about this one. Tio knows the story about this one. But I actually had him make me a half a dozen of these ground spikes. They're 15 inches long. And I'm trying to get the connector that goes right angle, so that way you could smash it in the ground all the way to the connector and still be able to screw it on to the right angle. But
if you get a right angle, make sure you crank it on there tight and then put your coax on.
Yeah.
Because if they come loose, you're gonna hate you're gonna hate yourself, and your radio's gonna go.
I think I have 4 power supplies for like $60 a piece. They're all going to be Astrons or Pyramid power supplies. I've got a couple radios that I'm going to put out. We're going to bring a bunch of ICOM merch. In fact, I got some of these, and I got some of these. Boom. I got ICOM merch.
Oh. Hey,
that's
look.
a trucker hat. Yes, sir. Yep.
Good timing.
Yes, sir. I got ICOM merch. That's hard. You can't just go to a ham fest and get an ICOM hat. You got to come and see us. So
I need to do that. I see y'all enough. I need to do that.
We're going to be at Orlando. We're going to be at. We're praying that we're going to be at Dayton this year. That's probably going to happen.